guys, Dada is making puff. Anyways, when she was mixing it, there was no light, and that's why I didn't vlog it or I didn't film it. And secondly, my solar, I didn't remember that I even have solar. Anyways, Buff Buff is here and want to continue the Buff Buff international industry. Yeah, so let's go there, guys.
I need to swell up.
Why?
To swell up on the fire.
Why?
Because I've added this.
You put it small, small.
You put it small, small. It will be big. Yes.
This is a Buff Buff. This is a mapo.
Is this sweet?
Hi, this one Buff Buff. They're very bad. Somebody should help me. Who do I run to? Guys, see, only my husband ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 biscuits. And then he drank tea. Oh, Sonia, you don't enter. Oh. This is the result of the Buff Buff. This my baby's Buff Buff is Buff Buffing. See, let me show you guys. See inside. Wait, this camera focus. See inside, guys. This Buff Buff is Buff Buffing. I love it. I know the video, you know what yourself, my sister.
Dance. Come down. Like before today, anytime you see me, you go just come to talk to me.
Thank God, though.
I can't be like, who they do this here now? This thing. Like,
So hi guys, we've come to the end of this vlog. First of all, I did not introduce this vlog from the beginning. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe and I'm back again with another man blowing video. Hi guys, I hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, please do subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly do not forget to share. So guys, anyways, I'm in my mother-in-law's place. That's why this vlog did not end from the house. Okay. I was actually thinking of continuation of that particular vlog, but with the way I'm seeing it now, it's obvious that I need to end this vlog. You guys saw that in that puff puff series, my husband also said he wanted to try his own part, but at the end of the day, his own puff puff was the most annoying puff puff ever. Okay. Anyways, at least you guys should rate my man now. At least he tried. I wish you guys should rate him out of 10, please. I want to know so that he will also see his rating, okay? I don't know the day that you guys will be seeing this video, but happy Sunday, because today that I'm filming this video like this is Sunday, and I hope you guys enjoy your Sundays. I didn't go to church today because obviously my mother-in-law, she's 7 days Adventist, Saturday church woman. And she's trying to lure me into going to Saturday's church. You're shouting yes, so Abby. But Sonia's husband. I love this Sonia's husband. Sonia's husband will not agree. Sonia's husband said he has left. He has left 7 days for good. For good. Anyways, I love 7 days Adventist church. I love the way they do their own pattern. So we'll be going back probably, not probably, we'll just be going back tomorrow morning because Didi has to resume school, stuff like that. Anyway, it feels like I'm ranting too much in this video. Abby, you guys should just subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And if I've said subscribe already, bye bye. I love you guys.